In peace. Sure. I'm a fact, all who want me come here, you know. Hey, Pastor, I see you want me now. And Rasta boy. Remember, you want me 3,000 of a cheese stick a week. One that know. And Pastor, you want me 2 sticks to you know. And 3 guineas and 1 cigarette. Yeah, and bread. Hey, that over Red Bull. Everybody come and trust on myself them there. Blast. There's a. They are coming up on my wrong side this morning. I little dirty go-go one. I pay just for me now. Me not trust somebody else. That's why they date shit. No more trust me.
No man, no. Nasty Ringo is a date to do now, eh?
Hey,
you know for me sit on the moon and you call me name?
Me just a talk about you know. Me just a talk about you know. I said date never trust nothing from me yet.
You see if that never did fast and me tired, I would have dip up underneath you. My friend Ringo, you can't trust me 1 cheese strips.
Hey, if you go dance your lobby, you can buy back a cheese sticks.
I'm not supposed to.
Megan, or if you dance for pool all night and can't buy back a cheese sticks, you make tip.
You know, say it's an ungrateful dog.
Or Kentucky cheese sticks.
You must remember saying me build up your old broke down style.
No, you bring some customer that come down my stars. Your customer some chichi.
Anyway, Ringo, you see the white man come to me last night. Him not come back up here. Alright. You see, anytime the China man come, you just make sure you call me because I him have the money. Yeah.
White man, China man. I can't buy a pack of cheese sticks.
Ringo, I'm not time for you, yeah. I'm going to take something entitled to.
Hey, I was too for you, yeah. You know, say faster back to me if I get this money.
Life.
You know, you're not yet. Me say.
Yeah.
Pastor, take your wife out of the house this morning. I don't know if my pastor and give the woman some go to her lick. Hey. So you man jump on her back.
Hey.
And find that she not dead. Woman get up back and take some curse and dash it from the house. And light and never go burn it down.
No man.
And the journey here the pan fire, fire, fire.
Do you mean just about excitement that when I'm here never come on my mobile? That's how you put on wicked so Ringo?
Me that try to call it on your mobile.
I want
to tell you said the landlord said the code kind of pay the rent.
I'm tired to talk to you. When I tell us over and over, eh? I tell you to stop watch and chat me. You know why, Ringo? You soon start to pay me the rent.
Hey, give me this.
Hey, son, I said, one thing I tell you to do, I want you to do it because I said to do it. I'm from I say you must do it, I mean you must do it. I'm going to say kneel down. No, kneel down, you know this smart babe. Kneel down. He said, no, let go. Let go. I said, move from here, man. Let go. He said, no. Let me do it now. Let me do it. Come on, come on. No more oral, no more. Tired ain't no more. Babe, I notice you're going to stop at it. I I notice you won't hear what I said to you, you know. But you think about your needs. But what about my needs? Although I'm a pastor, I've got needs too. But you know, you see the shop where you're happy? That damn bar and I'm going to burn on it backside. Because the bar make you stay so.
Burn on which one at the bar? Eh?
That damn bar where you have down there.
Now you see him and encourage me for opening bar. Eh?
That is when the church ain't going nothing. But now the church have members night. Close it down.
You can't burn down my bar.
What you mean?
Eh? Don't forget, so my bar is my only livelihood.
Oh, so the bar is your livelihood. Babe, look how long me and you there. So what about my livelihood?
I hit up pay the rent inside there. And I supply to you. I'm not run from you. I'm not run from you. I'm getting it. I'm not afraid of you again. I'm not run from you.
You know what you're talking about?
Not run from you.
I'm a fucking. The good book says, I shall give the angel charge over thee, lest I dash my foot against stone like a yoke.
If I was the same angel there, and I take the same stone and they are looking at your forehead.
I check me.
No.
But the book says, the stone that the Bible refused, it come the head cornerstone.
Go wash your molly ham.
I'm here talking?
No.
Hi, where the book say? It's anything about more huh?
No.
Where it say? It say clean hands and a pure in heart shall see.
Then what is wrong with you now? From when on the road me and the two and argue.
You hear my mouth?
Kim, did you hear my voice? You
Kim.
hear my voice, Kim? Kim, I beg you now. One, the father, you know. Talk to him, you know. Because I even wake up this morning for the wrong side, Kim. I want me to join him, you know, Kim. But Kim, I chat to you, you know. I put him chat in the top, the last one, you know. Weird.
So you know about coming to work? Eh? I bet. March yourself back here. Right now. Over there. Turn around. Come on. Like a pastor wife. Walk. Damn it after all. I say we treat them on.
You expect better from here, you know.
Expect better? I'm at that. Where you come from now?
Oh, daddy, you're coming from gym.
Jim! Come on. What's Jim?
Daddy, what you talking about?
What's Jim?
Daddy,
Jim, who named Jim? Kim, who named Jim?
Daddy, Jim is a...
Don't take a fault when I talk to you. When I talk to you, don't say to you. I said, who named Jim? Kim.
Daddy, Jim is a...
Kim, who named Jim? Kim, who named Jim?
Daddy,
Don't talk to me when I'm talking to you. When I'm talking to you, don't talk back to me because I'm talking to you. I said, who named Jim?
Daddy, Jim is a place where you go to exercise.
You know, shut tell me that. Now that me ask you, simple. You understand now, right? That's all I say.
Daddy, you should have seen me this morning down at the gym. You should have asked me to do bench press.
Kim,
I'm proud of
you mean say, you go down a gym in a that way they look at you? Eh?
So what happened to
I mean, know how Billy I thought you like look? Eh? Hey, listen, this. The bench, that will be a bench press. You see the yard? That will be your gym. Up, down, up, down. Oh.
You know how much money I have to be spending, you know?
Hold on now. Where you get money I spend? At the church money I spend, huh?
No, Daddy.
So where you get money?
My savings.
Kim, who gave the money for save? Not me. So when you save it, who you forget back to? Not me.
And the instructor say I'm getting good.
Mirati. Instructor say you're getting hooked. No, I can't say it. I can't believe this. Oh, you know that? Eh? Look for me nice version. Oh my God. Instructor say you get hooked. Oh my Jesus. No, I can't believe this. Instructor know that.
Daddy, what is wrong with you? I see why Mama say you get up on the wrong side of the morning. Have a nice day.
Wait, Damn! Back here at once! Kim, what did you do? Stand over my face? Come back here. Here. Look at me when I'm talking to you. Drop your arms. Smile. Spin around and go to your room. After all. True then.
Who tell you that?
Turn it off, come on. I'm fierce. Out of order.
No, man. You sure? From when? So you can just tell me now. No, tell me what you tell me about Tell me what this is not real. No, Warren. Problem, Warren. Talk to my sister, Warren. Talk to my sister. Where's the missing Warren?
Liar, sir.
Where's the Warren? Mr. Wesley,
woman.
You know, you miss her. Where's the mission?
Where's the mission? Oh my gosh. Babe, don't talk bad. Babe, you know why me bad? Because me wonder how to you and up you which one uglier.
No, come and get my prayer for me and my son missing.
Who miss your son?
Mister.
Then maybe your son miss you bad? I think I'm somebody missing. I mean, if your son missing, I treat this and look for him. Either dead house, Harm's house, our prison.
Our house.
Thank you, Ringo. Our house.
I say thank you.
Hold on.
Make sure when I came back, I got my red money, okay?
Ringo,
I need my money like, hey, okay?
Hey, me know they ain't.
For the money me give 15.
We don't know.
You can't get 2
I don't know. I got that.
Hello! Where are you waiting to? Hey,
You know say bathroom is not coming there.
Come over here. You know that you're a liar?
Oh.
And I don't like come on hotel. I have to look in the eye. Don't run with me.
So you don't like a liar?
No.
So you don't like yourself?
Do you know that rent Joe till it let Joe? Okay. You got to pay some money like today.
So you rent the come from?
Yes.
So Pampas.
Don't do it. Mr. Pampas for you. In it?
Mr. Pampas, in it. You come to collect rent, in it. But Mr. Pampas, in it. I can tell you one thing, in it. When the rain falleth, in it. The roof leaketh, in it. And the rat and the roaches runneth, in it. And you come to collect rent, in it. Mr. Pampas, you might die, in it. The spirit come to me. I feel like preaching. The good book says, in my Father's house, in it, there are many mansions in it, and he gone in it to prepare a place in it, that when he come again in it, there shall I be in it. So I soon gone in it. We done with you.
Let I ask you something. Is which church you preach?
You don't have to know that.
I have to know that. If your father have so many houses, why the hell you give me problem in my own?
Because I have enough tenant in there.
You don't.
Warren, we out here argue the pumpkin belly man, sir. Eh?
You
don't
argue.
understand, I know, so we're not paying a rent. We're not paying a rent in here.
Hey.
You don't know?
You quiet. She don't knows me,
Quiet.
and you don't knows me.
Am I right?
I will rent this with you and she in it.
When I feel, you're only agent and I feel. You're not giving man no money. You're not giving Mr. Kitty money. If you give Kitty money, you're not giving. When you say what I tell people, say your place. He's a thieving man. How you not get no more rent? No more rent for you.
Chase the boy! Chase the dirty boy! Tell him which part I move off because...
What is?
You say you pull out my husband?
Me?
So you tempt him?
Me tempt him?
So you tempt my husband?
While you in jail, I me tempt
Just
you.
not paying a rent in here.
When I don't pay no rent, I said the garbage truck that come taking up in the morning.
Man, the whole of the time, come up in there.
Oh!
Alright, let me show you where we're not paying a rent.
What
Show you looking at the toilet.
Okay.
Put your head down in the bowl last minute. Do a light bulb out.
Lock him up in
And it's
there.
out of order to you now. You know, say I collect maintenance money. What? You want to maintain it? I him for cost.
Hello?
For the maintenance money, you don't know.
Hello, chicken no face. Let me ask you a question. When I rent you this place, did I rent you with a toilet bung up?
Are you
What's been ugly? Oh, you dozen.
You don't call me?
Hi. Hey, little girl. Mr. Pampas for you, in it?
Mr. Pampas, me back him.
Come on, baby. Let him.
So let her go on, wrap up friends. You never smoke without fight.
So Pampas,
What?
you are in it.
Then tell me something, baby.
Honey,
You're not remember the front room again.
just back.
Oh.
You look like you're a kid when you're small. If you now pay for the one round at the back, and the front one you have to pay for, you're mad.
Then Pampa.
What?
We not can work out the front.
Hell no. That money they're too big, you know, the smaller money.
Pampas.
What?
If it's too big, you don't can swim in it. Hey.
Hold on. Is rent too complicated?
Yes, Ringo.
No, is rent too complicated?
Try come out here. Hey, Ringo. Don't no matter what. Ringo.
No, I rent too complicated.
Ringo.
Look right there, man. You complicated.
Deal with it.
Ringo.
Hey, Pastor. Rent you one.
Listen, man.
I rent you one.
Yes, Ringo, try. Ringo, you're hypocrite.
Rastafari. What are you man?
Where your friend is that?
You're right, me true. I move like a weak card, so when I lie, you know. So I go on.
Nothing.
Yeah. So you stop trying to the man in the evening.
You know, I come out early, you know.
Hey, Dad. One thing I have to tell you, you know. I want to start chatting there again. Yeah, man.
You know what you better do?
Yeah.
You better hurry up and leave here before my father come catch you.
How you talking about daughter, man? You hear me, daughter? Me and your old man, Irie, you know. You know, so yesterday, he see me and he might heal me up. He might say, heal Rasta, me and say, heal Pastor. Yeah, man, for real, man. Only one like this, yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Anyways.
Yeah.
You know what I want you to do for me?
Yeah, daughter.
Throw the group of jerk because I get me a chicken from me.
I'm fire! How you talking about daughter? Daughter, burn them things, daughter. Daughter, my blaze, daughter, hot pan and things, daughter. What you talking about, daughter, man? Daughter, my burn them things, daughter. What you
Why
talking
do you even like that? I thought you like me.
Daughter, I like it, I'm not like chicken, yeah. Daughter, my blaze them things, hot, man. What you talking about, daughter, man? My burn them
Alright,
things, man.
sorry, don't mean to upset you.
Sure.
You could get me some beef.
Daughter, a ton of pan beef. Daughter, Rasta blaze them things, hot, you know, daughter.
What am I gonna eat?
Daughter, oh, you have to leave a high child. A Rasta, you eat, you know. What you talking about, daughter, man? Blaze them things, hot, you know, star. What you talking about, daughter?
Alright. Since you don't want to get the beef, get me some soup pork.
Daughter, and this year this Rasta?
No.
Daughter, this year this eye? Daughter, I'm telling you, put fire upon them things there. Hey, daughter, send them things to Rasta, you know. Daughter, I shall love me and fear, you know. You see, hey, daughter, you see when time the eye get ultimate.
Excuse you?
I want the daughter, Philip, I shall. Daughter, I want you to stop eat meat. Daughter, stop suck. Both old man like Selassie. Daughter, I want you to go to the hills and eat up your Isla your Idage, and your young king. Daughter, you know it's a Rasta rate you. But one thing Rasta have to tell you, you know.
No, man. More Rasta there. Hey.
Jah, you buy strength. You give someone who pay gonna live next door to the eye.
Well, at least me naturally sexy, me not have to exercise.
That you know, so you're a pagan daughter. Daughter, exercise your body, daughter. Exercise and keep it high.
At least some of us don't have to roll the streets in the night to be noticed.
A fire! On our night roll on control.
But I want to clean up the damn doing. You know the smell we have to always room. Guess why? Because some of we have to just send and some are centennial.
Doctor, you should talk about centennial.
You see right now, you're mega every foreign link and you alone get it.
If some of us were reading the book, they'll know that we don't communicate with the dead. We bury them.
Come on. Boris, I mean, you gotta stop with.
Rasta mix up, Rasta mix up.
Come on. Little girl. Sex up one more time now. Open your mouth.
Kim!
You look, your cross is poop up. Come on, but I'll fuck you when I come back.
Kim, I hear a man voice out here. Kim!
Yes, Daddy?
Why you was out here?
Nobody, Daddy.
Kim! You sure you're nobody out there? I hear a man voice out here.
I didn't know no man was out here.
Well on me. Don't go. The dread was here.
No, Daddy.
The Rasta boy was here.
No, Daddy.
By the fruits you shall know them. And when I smell that dread, I know it. I smell the smell of a coconut. And the dread always smell like coconut. You know what? I go to my church. And I don't want to see you and the dread. You hear me tell you? Anyhow, you come across the road and the dread come across the road. If bus and truck and car come, you just shut the eye and go across. You hear me say? Don't make him look on you. And you don't look on him. Alright. I'm going down to church. Oh. You ready, Chill? You think me the gun? Oh.
You know what now? You want to take the bench and start with some bench press. Up, down, up, down.
Why don't mind your damn business and leave me alone?
See my business there. You in front of my business, do your business, make my business, can't make no business. You talk about my own business. Hey, you might can't fool the pupil, but you can't fool me. Hey, you think me don't say you that like a Rasta boy I mix up?
Who, me?
No, me, because that's me I mix up with dreadlocks. Hey, take my foolish advice, you see? You make sure say that Rasta boy I wear the pill then. And you make sure say I take a condom. Because if you don't take the condom and him don't wear the pill, then you get pregunta. And when that the 13 month come for that they put in the barn. It now go barn and ball like no ordinary put in. There. They go barn and ball Joe Rastafari. Never living, never faithful, never show Emperor Haile Selassie.
Why don't mind your damn business and leave people business alone?
My business? You know what I said? Last week or a week before, I out here and talk to your father. Father, you know, say it's full time, Kim go find a man for yourself. Your father said, no. Anytime that time come, he will go to go find the man. I say, Pastor, you can't say no because every word in tick a bush he said, oh, Ringo. You see that the word, him and the tick.
Why your father don't stop chatting me?
May your father watch and chat to me, love. Believe that you kill his father. That's what your father say after that.
Your father say what?
Your father say that you are feathering. I have to be past. You know me if you know that now? Last week right before, I did come to that gate here. And I see your papa right there, so kneel up on the knee. I think I pray the man I pray now. See the man there?
This is great.
Hey, yes, when you look past me, he was so frightened for me and he make 4. But because I'm a pastor, and I'm a deacon, I left one of my eyes, so you know, so I treat that.
It's all lie.
Your father say that you are feathering. Me don't know if you're a bird, or you're a chicken, Are you a chicken? Me don't know say mama is a junk already. But your father say that you are feathering.
You know what? I am not going to stand here and let you disrespect my mother like that. As a matter of fact, I'm going to tell the dread.
Hey. Don't come into that Rasta boy. No. You know, say me that boy can't agree. And you hear me out here talk about what bird from, what chicken from, what fowl from, what feather. Little girl, you can't make a joke.
So,
A joke, Eric. Joke.
alright.
Let's be saying.
You don't tell my father about the dread, and I don't tell the dread what you said.
Oh. That seems to me say you just mix up with you then. You go and breed you. Like Ziggy Marley and the Men of the Makers. Gee, little birds. All my... Right, hello, sir. You can't even find Kingston, sir. Me was the Kingston last.
Hey, young man.
Is it there find Kingston?
You tell me. How are you, man? Where you come from?
Country, sir.
So where are you doing?
Me they look for a lady with my two pastor when you come take our country and come down the come up Obia, sir.
Wow.
One woman my two pastor man you come take our country and come down the come up Obia.
So what you want that?
She named Beverly, sir.
So where for this Beverly pa?
My papa say my mama, sir.
Who tell you papa that?
One lady say banana market, sir.
Tell your papa say
No, she tell her friend Sandra, sir.
Oh, so Sandra go tell your papa?
No, sir, Sandra tell Sarah, sir.
And Sarah taking out tell your papa?
No, man, Sarah tell her friend Jennifer, sir. This man you come like him and mix up.
Oh, so Jennifer no take it tell your papa?
No, sir.
So who tell your papa?
Me don't know, sir.
So, country. Where the other yard?
Me dey look for one man who name is Pampas. Him promise one, me say man the room man.
Pampas Spanish. Oh, he's using new tenant. He's you supposed to collect, me don't collect your fam. He's you supposed to write the part. I'm the landlord. It's my place.
You sound too different.
No man, you see Pampas? Pampas is my agent. Me landlord is my only place. I live right over there, so me near Ringo. So country,
Yes, sir.
you got money?
Yes, sir.
Give me. For the room, first month, last month, third month, and security deposit, that one. Country,
Yes, sir.
this bus take up, don't it?
Yes, sir.
Alright, come here. Come here. For the iron, she is your place called Salvation and Mercy book in here. Backside, you come at town, look place where you don't money. Waste man blast it there. Come grab me that money there, man. Welcome to Kingston. This is your room, you see? This is your room. See this side? This side marked no trespassing. Alright? So anybody can knock on your door, you tell them no trespassing. Me live on this, I mean near Ringo, as I said before, me the landlord. I'm personally right there. I want to go live on this one. Don't talk to her, it's not a good girl. I want Rasta boy live on this one, it's not a good Rasta neither. The only friend you have on is me. So take my things and go inside. Huh? Go for your things. And hurry up. This is your room. I'll come and show you. Over here, so let's see, is the bathroom. The toilet, the shit was everything that one. Aye. Where went that to? You know, go and shit. Which pair of that? Alright, as I said before, now, this is your room, right? And it's right there, so it's the walkway. We're in that too.
Good. And come and show you the kitchen. Come here. You want to see the kitchen? Come on. Oh, you're broke. Welcome to Kingston. Go back in the house.
Ringo, I want to go in the yard. Eh? Mr. Walk go in the yard. I'm madman there, you know?
Is who you call madman carbine? Hey, Ringo, tell a girl about me now, cause a man getting got you don't know me.
What's up with Ringo going in the yard? Ringo, it's who that?
I don't know, Carbine.
Hey, no ramp with me, no. Mr. Where am I doing in the front room?
You know that man guinea cat? If that boy tell the 1 minute when call all your name, they...
In the front room?
Go your front room?
And it look like him go come down to buy my money in our pan church.
It's rent the boy in that place. Don't talk about that. The boy got money.
What you say a while ago? The boy have money?
Who gets it knows it.
They bring your shot here that long time, man. You think we should go put on the red frap? Oh, look.
You never look no better. Hey, what you do?
He knew that he was going to leave here already.
Are your next door neighbor come out?
No trespassing.
Boom, bang, connect.
Aye. No. What a boy look good. You look good. Then come on, nice when you being so shy. I like your new.
Yo, country. Country.
You work out.
Country.
You look good.
Country. Hey, boy.
Tell me something. You like to drink?
Boy.
No, man, me not thirsty now. Come Spanish fly me.
No, me not mean like that.
The boy
You
say he
see,
does not drink.
Toothpick. Me not chat to you. Come over here. You see me? I'm working on one nice club down the road. Yeah, I'm a professional.
She's a go-go.
You saw them come down the road later.
She's
You can't
a
ask anybody for me.
dancer.
Hear me name Dainty. Sexy Dainty.
She's a private dancer. A dancer. So sexy dainty, you don't want to cheese you to us this morning.
Nasty Ringo. I'm not cheap chips time now. You know, say green banana there.
Wait. Lad, boy. Wait.
Then Pastor, you forgot something?
What here? I mean, oh my gosh. Oh, sorry, dear. I thought it was my kitchen.
Come on. It's what it's for.
I took it up by mistake.
Aye, no wrong. Put me this morning in the pasta pee up. You pee up. Come.
But I didn't stay long.
What is all you mean you never stay long, Pastor? That is not my fault. Look here. Yes, when you come into my department, you make sure say I have the money, you know. You come, pay up.
Alright, I didn't collect much at the church, you know. No, collection never come in, so
Me want
you can't hold
everything.
that, you see?
One. Me look like my school girl to you. What me I doing lunch money, eh?
Alright, sure. You don't have to go and say, sure.
Oh, no, hold on, one young girl. You try come.
Alright, see there. Not too bad.
Oh, you're serious? What? Bam! Bam! Everything, Pastor, everything. to your right. Then you're going to your left. Pastor, go down in the jackpot. Go down in there.
Alright, it's everything. I'm a mechanic at church. You see, this is from the blind people department. The poor thing couldn't even see for true collection.
Why does not even look too strong in the early morning, you know?
But I go on now. Not more than that.
I don't work for this, you know. But you see tomorrow morning when you come back, you try to come better than this, you hear?
You come better than that. Hey, you sweet little thing. You're so nice.
Come out, your money gone.
Why does she have to get on like that? Why you have to get on like that? I tell you, see. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna do the cake. I want nothing. I want this. I get it. I've been doing that so before. Babe, get up. Let me can't go. Listen. Go lay on the side there before she. I tell you something, you see, young boy. I come from church. Boy, I tell you, me just bad luck, you know. And two man hold me, rob me, and beat me, tear me close now. Them and them friend. You tell you, boy.
Oh, God. Poor thingy, man.
A church me come from, you know.
Oh, Jesus.
And they hold me, and take away every cent off of me.
Poor thing. Then you don't live here, sir?
No, me and my wife.
Then what's your wife's name, sir?
Well, now, this is a pastor wife.
This what happened? This what is all him? Oh, yeah.
Come in, you know.
Hey.
I want to come in. If you ask the car,
Kim!
No, me can't.
This one really happened.
Come here! What the way bound in that place, man? Come here!
Where you come from?
Come here, Kim.
Kim, come
I
here.
don't believe this.
It's who him, Kim, you know him?
Kim will say, your father come from church, you see? I want to come from church. Mr. This little boy, go to the window, I'll grab him, the boy hold me.
Jesus.
And when the boy don't fist me,
You never called police.
I was saying, he would not show me good God out.
Oh, God.
He said, this boy, you know him?
Daddy, I know him. Yeah.
You know what
You
you
know
have
him?
That damn thief, you know him? Have you seen him go through the window? You saw him? I tell you about the damn girl we have, yeah? You is like she and she's like you, crown is just like what?
Shut up!
No, sir, this is one more evidence. No, man. Ringo! No, man.
Trade.
Where's the boy? You don't know that they are talking to them. Who them? What the hell's so crowded? Ringo! You come here, Ringo.
Hey, boy, you here?
Man.
This one not sure you're going to be. Why, Ringo?
What is this, man?
Get your boy, go to the window.
Are you sure?
Hey, boy.
I don't think, man.
What do you mean on thief on her?
You do that. This is the working here, man.
Hold up, Ringo.
You need a man.
Hi.
Why?
Hi. Hello. Inside.
Where you
up from?
Where can I go?
Where you come from?
It's who him?
He really that. I read the place, right?
They up on Pastor Renting place and we don't know.
I'm not understand.
Hey. Then Pastor, it's where you coming from this early time of morning, boy, you lost your key. Hey.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Pastor, is where you coming from this early hours in the morning, boy, you lost your key. Answer. Answer the pastor.
Where
Where you coming from?
Answer to him wife. not to you. Eh? Where you come from? Where really you come from? Me say chat up where you come from. Me say where you come from? The chat no me that explain to me come from. And that nigga you prefer tell where me come from. Tell me where. Go to me now go tell where me come from. Where you are? Hey, you tell me where you come from. Well tell me where you come from. Because I lost the key and just that. Last key. No wait, I never seen a shutter before.
That may show you. When I come from church, I don't go to you see. I'm going to tell you at church.
You know something? I don't believe
what you mean?
Word I say.
What you mean?
I don't believe you.
Listen. Hey.
This is the like print out to my face.
Babe. Hey, Chaffy, you know. You provoke me, you know. You provoke the spirit, you know. You're provoking the spirit. I feel like preaching. You know, I said, Ashantalamakunte. Beef in a market, soup in a bone. Dirty nigga, let people business alone. Yeah, some young girl, like take man money, I don't give them nothing. Yeah, some young girl, I take all pastor money, but I said, the good book says, he that keepeth his mouth, keepeth his life. Ashanta Makuntela. I tell you something.
You know he's a wicked old man. He's a very wicked man, eh? Why all the while you choose to preach, eh? You dash one permit.
Yeah, that's right.
Eh? When me did young, you pay down for me. Me I take money from you, eh? You can't pray without dash one.
Well, me preach.
I don't believe a word you say, man.
I just always say you don't believe me.
I don't believe you.
Why you don't believe me?
Like print out.
Pastor, I believe you. Kind of fast with me. Hey.
It's not she's enough with you. Me notice from the end, she up sin and
Pastor, what are we about weeping and wailing and fasting and gnashing of tongue?
You see this? Because your careless, dirty living. You make all kind of dog and flea take liberty.
Hi, I'm a pastor.
Eh?
You hear me say? I never
like one.
How you mean? Eh? That girl, I tell her to come to church.
You clean the
woman never pay the man. You're going to stay there.
See that way? Where do you think you're going?
Inside.
You're not coming in here.
Oh, you mean you're not coming inside? Ben. Honey, hold the...
Go on back where you come from.
You can't do that. Ben, buy my chin, let me in. Ben, alright. Go back where I come from. What's wrong with that? Me go back where I come from and you send me back, you know. Let me go back where I come from.
To my father's behavior. He's not normally like that, you know.
Feel Papa, if I didn't ever feel Papa, I'm rough on the boy, like that was
Snake on the grass, you finally crawl out, eh? What? How are your skin a jump for man? I look on the man to do it.
This is who trouble sharing, Williams.
Let me tell you something. I'm me around here, so I must say a country you come from. You wait, man, I soon start you out.
Don't pay no man, I choose flux.
You know what? I'll talk to you later, alright?
Me talk to you later too. And the club will talk later. Ringo!
something.
Yeah.
I'm fast. No, I'm fast now. Me club.
Yo, country. Go put on that man.
But me I eat.
Go put it up.
But me I eat.
Quick. What?
Yeah, what?
Ringo,
What?
tell me something. How would they be doing in yard there?
Yo, youth. Let me tell you something, you see? It's a yard there. The yard there and country, one different. Is anything happening in the yard there, you keep it to yourself. Anything you see around you, keep that to yourself. Yo, you see if you even hear the pastor man and the go-go girl there, don't tell nobody. Keep it to yourself. It's like call the pastor daughter and the rasta boy there. Don't tell nobody, keep that to yourself.
No man, myself can't hold so much something. Can't eat that to myself. Can't keep it.
You, I'm doing as my band and growing up. And may I tell you this, doing as well different. You have a see and blind, hear and deaf. Doing as well 3 rules. That is rule number 1. Rule number 2, you must see and blind, hear and deaf. You met them, you? Alright.
Then what rule number 3, sir?
Don't forget the first 2 rules.
So yo, country.
Yes, sir.
You know how they work again?
Yes, sir.
Let me ask you a question. What kind of work is the country?
Tie out cow, sir.
Okay. Alright, this is Australia. Me go want you run Australia. Alright? I go want you be the general manager for the Australia. You ever manage anything yet?
Cow, sir.
This is Australia. The Australian cover 2 different things. It's Australia right now. As long as you manage Australia, I don't want you giving nothing for Australia.
No, sir.
I don't want you trust nothing for
No,
Australia.
sir.
And I don't want you name nothing for Australia. You hear me I say? No, your first job today is the stocky star. Right? So what I want you to do, go through the fence. See it? Go through the fence. Open the go inside. Go down the lane. When you find in the corner, you just want Chinaman shop. You go in and tell the Chinaman say, you want harvest the bag of cheese sticks, some Guinness, some Red Stripes, some Heineken, some buns, some mackerel, some sardines, some Red Bull. You want some bigger soft drinks and then some bottle of water. Alright? And some tissue and some soap and some cigarette. And you can cook?
Yes, sir.
Then come back, you bunk up 2 bags of rice with me and you here. Alright, then you clean up my room. And come back and sweep up half of the yard. Remember that?
Mm-hmm.
Why not come back? You're not gonna make it. Hey, that's what you will become a coach one time. Boy, I have to go there.
Where money there, sir?
Do that again, man. We don't use money at all. Just tell the Chinaman say, Ringo, no. Tell the Chinaman say he's an extortionist. Extortionist. Tell the Chinaman say you come to extort him. When you say ex, you will understand. Yeah. Extortionist.
Abortionist.
You're not gonna make it. Boy, not gonna make it all like that. This one man with a pool. Across the problem.
Ice mint, Wrigley's, bubble gum, cigarette, cheese stick, scale out, everything must go. Everything must go. Ice mint, cigarette.
Give me 2 Panadol the Ringo.
Do what?
Panadol.
$500.
Lord man, me not ask you the price. Just give me 2 Panadol no ring.
No man, I stop trust man, I new management, you know.
Me not trust. Alright, you have an Andrews. Give me Andrews now.
$500 just do.
Ringo man. I can't make it look so hard, man. Give me a hand juice, the man. Me have problem, Ringo, man.
Babe, for your married to the pastor man, you have problem. I'm top choice.
Ringo, nobody do me some, man. Me always pay, no care how much me take from you.
You.
But the longest me ever take a pay, you 6 months.
Me top choice.
Lord of his mercy, Ringo, man. I can't help what's my in a problem. Me in a problem, Ringo, problem.
Babe, right now I said me a son, I'm going to come with a man.
Oh, this is a problem.
That man
Bigger
is
than
up
me
my
and my husband now in a Ringo. I don't even know what to do, me get on fool.
What is that, dear?
Problem, Ringo.
What kind of problem?
Ringo, I don't even want to tell you because you're too chatty, man.
Hey, if I hear me walk at your business, make you problem to yourself, make you kill you.
Ringo, me can't find my son, my child.
Then baby, you have son?
Of course, me have a child, I'm leave him down the country.
Hold up. You roll up your pin, you come back home.
No, Ringo, you have it wrong. I did not run left my child. I took the bus come to town for a better life. Nothing wrong with that, Ringo.
So you take a bus, left your pin, come out town, you have better life.
Yeah.
Why back your pin, come with you?
Ringo, you must understand, me not just come here to the church back I did live.
So make a care pin, live a job back
No,
with you.
it could not live wrong
You're a wicked woman.
Then Ringo,
You are my woman.
I look after my child, Ringo. I send money down the country every month. I send toys every Christmas.
Last time, what about man and love?
Lord,
You?
I talk to them like a phone.
No, Jesus! No, you must think to me I rock with them today, but we get done with the big
Turn upside down.
Hey boy, them things that you couldn't find.
I'm a thing that I'm take them up. Take them up.
No, you're not kick him again, man.
Hey, what is that? Every job I think is a gun. Hey?
Ringo, take that thing.
Let me ask you a question. Let me ask you a question. How you trouble on the road? Who you trouble on the road?
One boy just stomp me in one of my face them.
And boy jump you? Boy jump you? Can you show me who jump you?
Yeah, I'm gonna show you like you're bad.
Hold on. Which boy jump you?
Them saying them
Shut up. Shut up. C'est un tampon?
Yeah, man.
You're sure it's a tampon?
Shut up.
You're looking at tampon kill you.
Then Ringo, we have to move from out here now.
Hey boy, you can't go on the road and sit back on with Jimmy. You can't go on by with Jimmy.
You don't understand what easy up now, man. Ringo, while I'm going to kick him in the feet, and I'm going to tell the back.
Hey, boy, pack up my stand. You know your class now?
No matter what you say, you're not shocking.
No, Mr. Top. Boy, make sure you come and start pack up. Hey boy, you see your class? What tell them? Tell them. Protect you. Well, open it up. Is it? Hey boy, you got to my stand. Take you up. Take you up. Then take up my stand.
Jimmy, I'm not you. This is where you pass. I'll take up the chicken.
Hey boy. Take up my stand. Take up my stand. Can't put you from the start. Eh? Why you put you from the start? Parents, you want to put you from the start.
No, have sense, Ringo, man.
If you have sense, man,
Yeah, Ringo, please. Just
boy, so me come again,
give me that sense.
make sure you fuck up my style. I'm gonna deal your face when I come again.
Ringo, mind trouble, Ringo, mind trouble. Yes, what happened now? I have been happy in there,
Come to start up, but hey boy, I'm start up, sir. Eh? Come fix up my style. Come fix up the style.
I'm gonna fix it though.
Move. Hey boy, you can't go no nowhere down while bad man with chimney. Eh? You idiot? Eh? Hey boy, you know gonna wire this cars now? You don't make your man down the road that call me? Ringo and Chimmy friend, hey boy, me your friend? Hey boy, me know you?
Yeah, God no. Are you rent me there so?
Me rent your place, boy?
Yeah, you say me never talk to nobody, me only must talk
Hey
to
boy,
you.
come here. See you? You say you can't go down the road now, though. You say you can't go back, no, don't know the shadow of fear kill you. Hey boy, you idiot?
Yeah.
You? Come here.
Yeah, well, yeah,
Come
Papa,
here.
go thing close.
Sit down there, sir. You say as long as you're partying, you can't be no idiot. You have to be a gangster. I see you, I go big gangster in you. But you got no know, you're going to worry bad man cheap.
Ringo. One of the things I'm afraid of you. I'm here alone, you have strength, but I have strength for your belly and have no miggle. Them teeth them in them head colorful like Skittles. So me a bad friend, if you ever come out there and come boy like him want to fight me, I give him a beat him up. So me not take my vitamin, that's why I'm get me here. I'm not say me bad and quick!
Hey boy, where you say all that? Where you say all that?
Me sir.
So where you say all that?
Me sir.
Wait.
Jesus love me, this I know, for the Bible tells me.
What's your speech now? No God, no God, but make I tell you something. Better than kill someone. You see all who be dead, they die already. And all who want to live now. That boy want to live.
Me not dead already.
You see next thing around the road, you make sure say, you see shatter before you see you.
Anyone else see you will kill you.
No. So this, make sure when you go down do the one of this. Now talk to you, man.
Let me do something.
Hey boy, I chat to you. I'm not packing. Your country?
Yes, sir.
Ghetto?
No, sir. Anything you have to do it, yes, sir.
Hey boy, I'm tapping in it.
No, sir.
Ghetto?
I want to go back to country.
Hey boy, what's the answer? Yes, sir. No, anything you're going to do, you see? You make sure you want this. What is? Boy, take it. Take it. Hey boy, I'm jumping. Hey boy, man. Come on, murder, come on. Hey boy. Where you going? Where you going?
It's under my arm.
Take it out. No, pretend I'm in here, shut up, I need to me. Hey boy, make touch me now. Find the pan. What do you think of them?
Them not function, you got clinic a man in.
Squeeze it. Squeeze that. Squeeze it. Hey boy, what you doing?
Me a squeeze it.
Here, let it. Watch me. Look at me. Look at me. What are you going to say? One. Put it on your waist. Come. Put it in there. Alright. Use the right hand now. Do so. Okay, ready? Just that finger here. That finger here, go between. Yo! That finger here. Pull up by the cheek, alright? Ready? Work up. Hey boy, where you going? Where you going there?
It's in my front.
Hey boy, take you out. Yeah, idiot! Take out it! You know what you do? Go and play gun. Tomorrow make you go and place. Come and teach you how to shoot that. Here? Go and put it down. Yo, oi! Now yo.
And then when you didn't give it to one black something.
Hey boy, make your gun.
Yeah, to one black something.
Hey boy, go put it down. Go put it in your room. Let me say what see I'm done here and there. Go put it in your room. Go put it down. So like you're a gunman now?
Me, sir.
Yeah man, find your gun, you're a gunman.
Alright, you don't want me gunman, so I'm going to give you back the gun, sir.
But I'm going to put a shot in your knee. So like that, sir. I'm telling you about kill some. It's two things when kill some. You have to be a gunman and a girl's man. You probably come from my country and a girl for yourself.
Them say one cow down there make woman sorry, I'm breed it.
Hey boy, do you cow?
Yeah, God no ask everybody dead.
No talks again.
Oh, that's true.
They will kill the cow and yummy and then kill you. Make sure you get a real guy for yourself. You like the pastor daughter? She's nice, don't you? A good girl. How much you go?
No sir, that it poison me.
Yeah. Your teacher will get two together for yourself. Your practice by two together. So they get two together, they get any guy town you want. Right? When she pass the daughter, she started fragile. You have to anger with her, you talk to her nice, and you talk to her decent. But if you want to get on the pass the daughter, good side. You just wait till a morning 6 o'clock when she come out and exercise. And you come out and meet it. But here you have to have an approach. See? You have to say a thing like this. Listen me now. I go say, hi baby, how you doing?
Jesus, I can't sing.
Say it. Say it. Say, hi baby, how you doing? Say it.
Hi, baby.
You think I call your doctor? Say it again. And this time talk softly. Nice, smooth. Hi baby, how you doing? Soft. Yes. Hey. Last time I'm gonna show you. See now catch you right? You shot in your knee. Now pretend say 6 o'clock in the morning. Alright? Pretend say me, I pass the data. Look me. You know look me. Mister, if you look me. Hey boy, make it out of me. Hey?
My stomach sick.
Me sick at all?
God knows in my stomach.
You will live. You know where about that. You just make sure you come out your sister every morning. One day you must get the parcel out, alright? Now you see you go, that easy to catch. All you have to do is make sure the cheese is on the start. But if you have to have a little style, then call it a profile. Now watch this now. She had a come other way. You know if she come from, you just come out there and catch her. Watch me boy, hey, country. Watch me. Catch. Eh? I can see some. Right? And since you come, you just say this. Yo. That's not more. I'll try that. Let's try it. What is the boy? The boy already did that. Watch out. Hey. Alright. I say, yo. Talk to like you talk to your cow. Moo! You can't say moo. You have to say, yo. Alright. Let me tell you. Alright, sit down, come on. Hey, remember me, you talk loud and you say, yow. Yeah, remember that.
Hey! Move!
No.
No.
No, man.
Ringo, come and box me.
Problem. Kim, what is wrong with you?
Mommy, I'm not feeling well.
You drink tea this morning?
Yes, Mommy, so that's not.
You having a headache or what?
No, Mommy, man.
What is wrong with you? Tell it to me. You have a problem?
Mommy, that depression.
What? What you said?
Relax, Mommy.
Damn it, after all. I know it. So why you just wait to tell me that, child? Why you just tell it? If you afraid to tell me, why you never tell teacher at school? Jesus, what did they do? Why do? Mr. Tell me why do? I swear I'm going to lock you
Relax,
up.
Mommy. Just pressure me to be the church secretary.
Oh, damn it, after all. But nothing is wrong with that. Wanted you to be a church secretary. No, you make me all think so smutty about your dad. Eh? I was just reading the other day that a man want to rape his daughter. And that is what I think about. No. You always a company now, you're boring and you want something to do. Eh? Why you don't take the offer?
Me, I don't want to do that.
Why not? What you want to do? Eh? Jig up like them other girl on the street? You don't think you better go to church go do something? He's a good half a man. I go and talk to him. Take it. Or better yet, if you don't want to be the secretary, make you be the treasurer.
To do what?
Treasurer have the money. And you know we need money. No, I'm not telling you to thief, you know. You can't take some at the time.
Mommy,
Don't feel no way about it, man. I will teach you how to do it. Yeah? You won't find out. Yes, and then you will have something to do and we can share the money. Talk to your father, I'm going to talk to him.
So, Kima, what do you?
If the rebel in you can touch a rebel in me, and the rebel in me can touch a rebel in you, and the rebel will be is gonna set us free.
Ringo, what one in this up? No shish, me say what one in this up.
Angel, is Beanie and Barbie inside here.
Oh man, you come like you're dead. Me say what Kima do in this up with me man.
Your man just changed course. Don't stop the progress.
Progress. Alright, me want to say pastor no wonder the progress there. Pastor!
Where do you? Let me spend nice for. Come and sell it.
You know you always them something, huh? Take my man, the man give them anyway, no. But in August, I'm going to get it.
I told you specifically say, first come, first serve. Sit down by your turn.
I'm saying now, wait.
Sit down. Hello. One at a time. Sit down by your turn. I'm sure you got the money. I collect going there. 1,009. Sit down.
You're not to go, my man. Ringo.
Yeah, man.
You must always promote me when I go and bad like me whole leg in the yard.
Yeah,
What
man.
do you mean by man?
You know who is that boy, sir?
No, my man.
A big son.
Hey, you must stop telling lies. He's a liar, wicked and nasty, man.
This is a big boy. Him to call big mama, big call him mother something, but they don't have anything. A big picnic.
Give me the one I should have looked for.
You know him? Got him up there, work him out and go and but I set him up, so I work him out now.
Oh my God, like you serious?
Be serious?
He means you're big.
Yeah.
No, man, move up your body.
Come here, bigger please tell about.
Man, that means that you are promote family ram in there, so.
Come out here.
Family ram.
You know, that boy is there with the cow. Don't reach Ram, it's with you. Sit down and find your turn.
We don't know?
Do your turn.
No, man. Now, strangers may know about me. What me gonna do with Ben Dottie, so look, I don't want him. Me don't want him. Here we know, you and Kim can't keep him. I'm gonna get ready for work. Got the road nice.
When the fox can get the girl, they say sour. One sour girl. Yeah, you see. One thing me know, and my boy that.
It's almost 6 months I don't came up here, you know. So these people better try to have my money, you know. Can you imagine I have my whole house and I pay rent for these culprits? Prostitute! How are you on prostitute there? You know what? Be on there this morning. No, I don't rent this room yet. I'm serious this morning, serious like a judge. I won't even smile. You think I know you're in there? Eh? Oh. You know that you rent Joe? What is the name again?
Babe.
Okay. How you spell name?
Just right, Dutchie, babe.
Alright, we can't spell Dutch. Anyway, I don't have to spell your name. I'll never do the look on you and draw you. Hello? Alright, she said, here just in time. I hope anybody care come from. I need my rent money today. Come on. Oh, she said, let me tell you something. You see this room here? You don't have an iPad? I don't ready for rent it yet. Come on, take it down. You say your face big and a circus? Watch out. Ringo, my boy. Ringo. How are Pampas, do yourself a favor. Take for yourself before they sell you too. I'm out of here, you're right?
Rastafari.
Rastafari, I'm here.
I know that.
What the eye, the blind the eye?
Yeah, I want blind the eye. Why all the while you try to disrespect the eye?
Me?
You! Why you knock on the rest of people's place one time and knock on my own 10 times?
Me?
You! So you try this side?
Me?
You! Make I tell you something. Don't come back on here. Don't come back on here. All the while you come and try to disrespect Rasta.
Me?
You! You make Rasta look wild somewhere. Give me them. It's from now on, I run things on us. You know, some of you have to tell all our people in boss, and they come to boss, you see the eye eat pork. You ever see the eye eat pork?
Them say yes, cause them jerk it give you.
You take Rasta for mackerel.
Me Ras, me not take it for mackerel.
Boy, you know, say this Rasta.
Me!
Yo! Hey, Rasta, go put this fire in a boy. Take for yourself.
Come here, I want to go.
Me! Yo! Nobody are going like you wicked. And I'm going like you don't know, so Rasta will disrespect you. You see anyone come out and come go and they want this Rasta. Hey, I actually go and know enough. Any boy come back in my place. I mean, I run things down enough. Because some boy are going like wicked. Any boy try this thing. Don't care what that boy be. Don't go this up a boy.
Yo.
Go.
You run here, son.
No.
Run away.
Oh, that's it.
Problem. When I go and solve this problem, Father God, I beg you to help me solve it. Where else can I turn? Where can I look? Father, I left Kim cook. I'm hungry, I can't eat.
Mommy, what is wrong with you?
Kim, baby, I don't really like to tell you, but a shame.
Come on, Mommy, man, you know you can't talk to me.
You sure?
Yes, ma'am. What is it?
Kim, I don't even want to tell you.
Mommy, what is wrong?
Kim, I can't find my son.
Something wrong with you? Which son are you talking
I
about?
have a child, Kim. Yes, I do have a child. I left him down the country like 20-something years. It's not that I give him away or anything, you know. Because I send money down the country every month. And I send him toys every Christmas.
So why you never tell me about this?
Kim, I didn't know how to tell you. Time just catch up on me and I didn't tell you, but sorry about it. I have a wonderful son. And I have something else to tell you, darling. But please don't take it as a shock. It is true, but just take it calm. You is not my child.
What?
You're not my real child. Kim, I had us to take it from you from your born. To take the shame out of the church. Your father got deacon wife pregnant. And we took her away and you was born, and from that I have you. Never mind. Never mind. I do understand. Never mind, Kim.
Mommy, so you talk to Daddy about this?
I tell him yes, but he's just not listening to me.
Daddy! Daddy, come here.
Yes.
Daddy, come here, I want to talk
Don't
to
even
you.
want to tell him again, because he know everything about it.
I just about go to one church, you know. Because John, I appoint him as deacon and he come like him want to take the whole of the money. And me and John, I want pound and carry, you know. I'm going to run joke and with it. And me and John build up the church.
Daddy, that's not what I want to talk
What
about.
are you talking about now?
Mommy have a son and he's missing and you're not doing anything about it.
Kim, you have a picnic?
No, Daddy.
Kim, you have anybody missing?
No, Daddy.
Kim, you missing?
No, Daddy.
Kim, me missing?
Daddy, no.
Kim, us missing?
No, Daddy.
Now on the backside you worry about Bevan or damn picnic missing. Eh? Picnic missing. Should I report a kingfish? Eh? Hey, watch out. Why don't take flashlight and go look for that backside? Eh? Hey, why you for worry about the dancing contest? Well, come on. Because you have to enter. You hear me say? It's $2.10 million. You hear me? And you want us to put on the roof of the church. Oh, so you remember say we have to go there and dance. Whether you like it or not, you have to win. Whether you enter or not, you have to win. You hear me say? Whether you want to go or not, you have to win. Oh, and you better start taking exercise, you know. Because you're going to enter the competition too. You must enter that competition. You hear me say? Because if you don't win, you have to win. And if you don't win, you have to win. One must win. Me don't talk. Me don't talk.
I just can't believe
Me don't talk.
the husband gets strange. No, look, the house for sale. We don't live nowhere to talk about church fair.
So you left your youth.
How dare you?
Oh dear, yo, wicked mama.
Wicked like you dirty woman who get in a banana trap. out of father bright and feisty. The forward. That's how Ringo do. Pack up your head and nonsense and tell the people busy but don't tell you it right. I didn't run left my child. I took the bus come to town for a better life.
A better life for a better man.
I said, don't talk to me like that. Huh? From the day I see, I know that your man I get if you a bunch of banana. Have no respect. Mark the word with me, you know. I'm a big man. A senior citizen could be a mother. Come on, run out of father.
No, man. Nasty Rasta boy, come here.
She box me. Yo, daughter, I want you to get another. Come and put white here, daughter. I don't want to make Rasta look worse, so you saw you need the Rasta. I just so much. I don't pot. I don't know how to deal with it.
Rasta boy.
Yeah.
Mister, me never cooking your pot
So where you use Rasta thing and do that? Where you use the eye thing and do? Yeah?
You want me use that though?
Yes, I want to know
But
you
I
use
said
that.
to pint it in there for soak.
No, you see all them king the way I'm going. I think Rasta be fool, you know.
Why?
Hey, daughter, don't say that again, you know. I think it's a joke, you know.
What?
Daughter, I like to say that again. I say, step in your face, you're going like.
Oh man.
Yo, Boras. Free up yourself.
All you involved in the Rasta thing to ball killer, what you do? And the war, I come be looking at peace and I preaching. And the daughter this side.
Peace I preach.
Yes, I.
Do something for me then.
Yes, I am.
Well, on a jerky and tell him to get 2 pounds of jerk pork. And yo, taste it and make sure say load with pepper. So what I say? I front?
No, I.
What I say?
We don't jerky. I get 2 pounds of pork. I make sure it's full of pepper.
What you do?
Yes, sir.
Oh, run then now.
Country. I would just.
Yo, don't call my country. Shebada, my name.
Then Shebada. You turn bad man.
Don't study me. You with mad.
You know me love my bad man them.
Take away your froze yourself. Yo, forward.
I couldn't know that.
Go home.
I just bring back your jacket for you. You know what? I have a surprise for you. I'll get tired of your room.
Yo, be clean up your quarters.
So why are you talking to me like that? I have something I want to talk to you about. My father pressured me to enter this dance competition and I don't want to. I feel if I enter, people going to lose respect for me. And most of all, I don't want you to lose respect for me. The only reason why I would enter doing this for my mother because she really need the money. The other day was so amazing. The way you make me feel, the way you give me the bed, and you sleep on the floor, and you're not even asking for sex.
Yo, Kim, let me tell you this. And every time a man and a woman go behind closed door, they must sex. Sometimes they just go behind closed door and flex.
Stop it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Oops.
Ringo! 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 What the hell is that? Oh,
not glad to see me? Ringo, you not happy to see me? Ringo.
Smurf, stop ringing up my name, man.
Oh, you mean something on the name? I'm your provider. You not happy to see me?
He's a wicked man.
What wicked? What are you talking about?
You make me go in.
With what?
Oh, if you have me MC, I show you, run guy left me. With the gate money, receipt money, back on everything.
Yeah, but Ringo must understand as a promoter, when things not going your way, you got to flee from the Philistine. Nah. But don't worry, man, I'm here. I'm with a new plan. You don't happy, huh? Ringo, listen to me. I was thinking about something. You see this year, the competition is going to be bigger and better. We're going to offer $2.5 million.
This year?
Yeah.
I'm going to be a 9 final in that one. And I'm going to kill you.
Come on, Ringo, man. For $2.5 million. $2.5 million. $2.5 million.
Smurf, I don't care.
$2.5 million.
$2.5 million?
Yes.
That's what I like money.
So, hey, come here, Ringo, man. You know, I was thinking about the place and I say, you see this year competition is going to be here in the yard. Right? Look, you have a stall right there. So we can bring the competition right in the yard. I would have to pay nobody for no rental. Think about it.
But $2.5 million.
Yes.
Money from.
I don't worry about it, man. I'm a promoter. And this year, it's going to be only female.
No, yeah, because you're like ding dang and
No. We don't want any males this year. We only want females.
That means man, we can't get some boy for that and listen because you man them know.
Ringo, are you listening to me? I said no males, only females.
This is a female.
Females.
What may I tell you, say, it's like a 2.5 million. All of us put the money in that two. Give the woman there one.
Ringo, you're not listening to me. Hold on. No, man. Something going wrong. No, man. Your face is on diet? No, Ringo, man. Shape up, Michael. But Ringo, just come and check the man, okay?
So, Smurf, what me ask you a question? You couldn't just take him 5 man.
Ringo, I said no. Read my lips. Can you comprehend? Did you go to school? Only females. Okay? Catch it. Tell me something. My baby here? Huh?
Only female.
Yo, ahora. Mayo, don't chat in ahora.
Amida.
What you want?
I ain't gonna talk to you.
Mayo, don't ask now. What you want?
Man, talk to you.
I hope say I hope something and I saw you going and say, please.
Yo, big man, come to the chat here, man.
Yeah, me a waste, man.
This boy is easy. Come by. Me must say please. No, me say now come out. Please. May I talk to you? Let me tell you.
Yes! Yeah! This time!
Acho que é boa.
Super fast.
Yo, Mayo, dog rounds.
Hold on. The powder. The powder myself. Real time. One thing I can tell you. Don't you ever try this again. Remember, say me bring you. Alright. Hey, here's English shutter. Here's English shutter.
Yo, see I'm blind, ear and deaf.
I said something about you to want to kill you, know. You need a smurf. But me ready to do this. But here I know. Is a serious smurf there. You put on a competition every year. A dance competition, you know. And this year, the money bigger. This year the money is $1 million. So me here see a guy like a passa and the bambi and this thing them. So me don't want dance now. If you could have find a girl we can dance, you can say no one no man in it, pay a female, right? So if you can't find a girl we can dance, more take care of the winnings. All you have to do, make sure you guys can dance. See? And there is pretty money between each other, 50-50. You see? You get 100,000, me get 100,000, and she get 100,000. That cool? Give that to me, yeah? I'm gonna ask you, you know. I tell that never leave. Respect what you have with my. Yo, we'll see you next time in that point you do.
Welcome to this 2008 dance-off in the Ghetto dance-off competition. And tonight we have 1, 2, 3, 4 contestants waiting for $2.5 million. I say waiting for because somebody's going to walk away with a whopping $2.5 million in cash. Cash, we say cash. And now we have Pastor, who is one of our dear neighborhood community judge. And we have the producer himself, Mr. Smurf, is the pastor. You guys?
Hi, hello, guys. I'm here, get on.
Now, if anything wrong, I just say if anything go wrong with this competition, blame the producer. Good. Now, are you ready for contestant number 1? Lady, we call her the Eily one. Ras Rahim. Place your heads together for Ras Rahim. Read him up. Stop.
I'm going to put up on the choir.
That was contestant number 1, vying for $2.5 million, and she's in the money. Put your hands together now. For contestant number 2, this lady danced for a living. She danced all night long, and she's here tonight to ring up a star. Put your hands together for Dainty. Read him up. Stop. All right. Okay. That was contestant number 2, the lady Dainty, dancing for $2.5 million. Next, this lady's last year winner, and she's here this year to reclaim the prize of number 1 position again. Put your hands together for the lady we call Merkel from the Gully Banks. Merkel. Contestant number 3, the lady Merkel from the Gully Banks. Next we have contestant number 4. Now this lady is from the church. representing the church community. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together now for contestant number 4, Lady Kimberly. Ladies and gentlemen, you have seen. Listen up. You have seen the 4 contestants. Now, by your applaud and your applaud only, we will choose the winner tonight. So, what do you say for contestant number 1?
Is the entrance.
What you say for contestant number 2?
I don't think I have to tell you the same thing, you know. Look on you. You're not happen. You forgot shopping. I'm not come back this. Come on.
Say for contestant number 3, Berkeley from the gully side.
Landslide. Oh, woman.
What you say for Pastor Daughter, contestant number 4?
Yeah! Yeah! Where you go? They robbed me. You this is curry favor. Where you coming? Curry favor. Shebada come at town. The Ghana country. Alright, me not take this up. Me not take this up. You have to go there. You have to go. That joke about say come. Kim, take it easy. Leave. Kim, I say leave here. How you can lose? How the boss say you can lose? It's not so. No, this have to count over. This can't lose. How you can lose? Eh? Mr. Kim, all you do, when the music start to play, all you have to do, cut it up. You know? That's all you have to do. Eh? What me teach you? Take it things and left it up.
It's not my fault.
How this box say me know your fault? Eh? You think the boy that get my money, so? Motherfucker will kill that child.
So this way alone. Wait alone.
Don't say that to me. Hey, bring up the boy. Who is this?
Hi, baby. You want somewhere to live?
You don't come out there.
Hey, look again. I must say, my own meaning. I don't know what I stop doing that. Hello. Call a man of me, no girl. Hello, don't take out the stand. Come give me money, Yomi.
Ringo, you can't wait.
Just give me the money,
Ringo, wait. Let me run go down the country.
No, give me money, no, man. Give me
Ringo,
money.
I have a problem with telling somebody that then find my body and I forgot identification
Yeah,
of my son. No, Ringo. I'm going to give him a phone. Ringo, wait, I'm going to give him a phone. Wait till my husband come.
Yo, my lord.
Why,
I mean, I beat up the fool.
Mother?
Yeah, mommy and me, Wesley.
Wesley? No, this can't be real. Wesley, are you? Wesley? Are you this?
Ringo, bring up the Hey, run.
Am I big down where you are? Hey, man. Wesley. We can't breathe on Wesley.
Run.
Yeah, I'm with him, what?
Oh, Jesus Christ. Wesley. One, two, good.
They say I look for
Pastor! Pastor!
Oh, Shantalaba Kuntela! As the good book say, listen to me, son of a pastor. Thou shalt not kill.
Yo, the book never said thou shall not commit adultery. That go. Move.
I don't mean.
I know something was wrong.
I don't mean. Listen to your mother.
I want to be a mother now for you, Wesley.
Yes.
I want to take you to the park. I want to buy you a lollipop. Wesley, please don't do it. Don't work.
Yes, me no work.
Don't work, Wesley, please.
Don't work.
Pray for him now.
Remember the law said, crime stop, solving crime pays.
Yes, Wesley, please.
Me no work, please. No shoot. Hey, remember say me take a fan gun take care of you, know. Remember me set up in a life, you know.
You?
You just change for me, so.
Don't study me. You will mad. Remember this? When you hear it, run. Yo. So.
Come here. Come here. No, listen.
No! Hold it in.